Click on the link below to get price. The Svart-Talla Multifunction Dehumidifier Electric Air Dryer is a game changer for those seeking an efficient solution to combat excess moisture in their homes. This compact yet powerful appliance stands out with its sleek design and user-friendly interface, making it a great addition to any space. One of the most notable features of the Svart-Talla dehumidifier is its automatic defrosting function, which ensures optimal performance even in cooler temperatures. This is particularly beneficial for users in regions with fluctuating climates. The energy-saving aspect of this model is another highlight, as it operates efficiently without consuming excessive power, making it an environmentally friendly choice. In terms of performance, the dehumidifier excels at removing dampness from the air, which is vital for preventing mold and mildew growth. Users have reported a significant improvement in air quality within days of use, making the environment not only more comfortable but also healthier. This is especially beneficial for those with allergies or respiratory issues, as the dry air helps alleviate symptoms. The multifunctionality of the Svart-Talla dehumidifier is impressive. It not only serves as a dehumidifier but can also act as an air dryer for clothes, speeding up the drying process without the damaging heat of traditional dryers. This feature is particularly useful during rainy seasons or for households with limited drying space. Another great aspect is its relatively quiet operation. Unlike some dehumidifiers that can be disruptive, this model allows users to enjoy peace and tranquility, whether it's during the night while sleeping or when concentrating on work. While it's a compact unit, the water tank can hold a decent amount of moisture, reducing the frequency of emptying. However, for larger spaces, users may need multiple units or a larger model. Overall, the Svart-Talla Multifunction Dehumidifier Electric Air Dryer effectively addresses humidity issues while offering versatility and efficiency, making it a worthwhile investment for any home.